colors joyfully. I'm red bunny, bright and sweet, with my apple red and neat. I'm blue bunny, floating high, my balloon flies in the sky. I'm yellow bunny, shining bright like a star with golden light. I'm green bunny, love the trees, dancing with the leafy breeze. I'm orange bunny, crunch and munch, carrots are my favorite lunch. I'm purple bunny, bouncy grape, jump around in silly shape. I'm pink bunny, soft and sweet, with the flowers smell so neat. I'm brown bunny, love my treat, chocolate's yummy, oh so sweet. We're black and white like night and snow, together we hop high and low. Red and blue, yellow too, green and orange just for you. Purple, pink and brown so bright, black and white are pure delight. Let's sing our colors one more time, with bunnies in this happy ride.